Experimental determination of molar mass by freezing point depression. There are two frequently used methods for determination of molar mass of dissolved non-volatile solutes by depression in freezing point. These are Beckmann's method and Rast-Kaempfer method. Presently, we will discuss the Beckmann's method. This figure shows the apparatus used in this method. It consists of an inner tube A, which is provided with a Beckmann thermometer T and a platinum stirrer. The inner tube is surrounded by a wider tube B. The annular space between these two tubes A and B acts as an air mantle which prevents rapid cooling. Whole of this apparatus is then placed in a freezing bath, the temperature of which is adjusted to a temperature about 5 degrees below the freezing point of the solvent. Now about 15 to 20 gram of solvent is weighed and placed in the inner tube A. Beckmann thermometer is first set at the freezing point of the solvent and then placed in the inner tube, dipping the bulb in the solvent. The solvent is then cooled with continuous stirring. Due to the supercooling of the solvent, the temperature first falls below the actual freezing point of the solvent. At this stage, vigorous stirring is done, and when the solid particles begin to separate, the temperature rises and ultimately becomes steady. This steady temperature is recorded as the freezing point of the solvent. Now, the inner tube is taken out and solid solvent is allowed to melt. Then, an accurately weighed quantity of solute, of which molecular mass we want to determine, is added and the tube is again placed in the bath. The freezing point of this solution is determined in the same way. The difference between the two temperatures gives the freezing point depression delta Tf. Thus, knowing the freezing point depression, the weight of the solvent and the value of Kf, that is cryoscopic constant of the solvent, we can calculate the molar mass of the solute by putting these values in the equation. M is equal to 1000 Kf G by delta Tf W0, where Kf is cryoscopic constant of the solvent, G is the mass of solute dissolved in W0 gram of solvent, and delta Tf is the experimental depression in freezing point. This way we can calculate the molar mass of a non-volatile solute.